All right. Next up is Sapphire Mixer. 5-boxer. There are the teams. It was a draft.
What do you think Doc does when it comes to ordering food?
He strikes me as a doesn't eat out much type.
Yeah.
I would bet he also just... I bet he's like you, but not for any, like...
honorable reason. Like
yeah,
that.
pure reason. Just... Start with the Topps Chrome update.
Jules, are you all recovered and ready for Heritage tomorrow? Don't overdo it. Just do the 2 Heritage and maybe like one Pokemon or something. Don't let Ryan post a bunch of Donruss mixers. But yeah, don't underdo it. Still, I want at least 5-6 hours. Just don't. That 7th hour probably not necessary.
Trout, active leaders. That's in slugging. Number 1 in slugging.
No, Jules, you're the Big Mac of my life. You're the Big Mac of humans for me.
Oh yeah, this is an interesting thing. Bartolo Colon, active leaders, and he's a free agent.
Yeah.
The
Wait.
MLB logo on that.
What is he an active leader in?
Probably
Inactive
wins.
leader.
Yeah, wins. He's the active leader in wins.
Oh, he was? Wow. I didn't know he was that good.
He's been around for like 20 plus years.
Active weight leader.
There's one for your Mariners. Jake Fraley, rookie auto. Sandman.
Slowest home run Trump.
Yeah, that was so wild
awesome.
when he hit that home run. Keno debut. Well, I've never heard that name, I don't think. Cheslor Cuthbert.
Yeah.
It's not even a rookie. I don't know who that guy is. No way. It's in his 6th year. Look at those stats on the back of that. No, not the Todd Frazier. But he's played like a decent number of games for the Royals for like 5 straight years.
I loved his sister in 24. No, they already...
Lindor All-Star.
They already did the joke.
Do 19 draft, I guess.
Yeah, was there no parallel?
No parallel. I noticed that too.
Lame.
Sammy Ciani.
Oh, they delayed F1 Chrome till May.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Toglia, I think he's a decent
We
one.
need a couple Tyre Jackman to sign or something.
Josh Young. Yeah, that seems like one like soccer where the people are like always all over the world. It would be tough to get autographs from them.
Yeah, at this point.
Will Wilson. Joe Bart. JJ Bleday base. We got a Mackenzie Gore green.
850 million. Yeah. It's for the kids, though.
And Miguel Amaya. Yeah.
It's about those kids getting their college educations.
Well, did you read the thing about the women's tournament?
Mm-mm.
How like ESPN has like a $500 million TV deal, and even the schools don't get any from the women's tournament.
Wow.
Not only like of course the players, but
yeah. Yeah.
Well, that's not what I said though.
I don't think that argument's ever gonna.
And I mean, the men and women players do get paid the same. So if you're arguing that it's like an amateur endeavor, they should be treated the same. Asa Lacey. It was a JJ Bleday second year. This is the one where I think those are different parallels. Maybe not, I guess, but Jack Blomgren to 99. No, they're the same, actually. Holden Powell to 99. Topps Chrome.
Feeling better today?
Yeah, I feel good. Started with that coffee this morning.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my super swanky LA coffee came that Edit recommended.
Oh, yeah?
So I'm going to have that tomorrow morning. Then I'm going to run like a 5-minute mile right afterwards.
Did I tell you that my college roommate was accepted for residency at UCLA?
Oh, cool.
Ooh, Tatis second year. That's a big card. Wobus. Nice one. I love that thing with the rookie cup.
No, not bulletproof. That's like the bro of coffees. We're on like the hipster level now. Like each one of the beans was talked to and massaged.
Purple Glaber. That's cool. Tim. Those are to 10, I believe. 2 of 10.
Free range.
You don't have to give us an exact figure or anything. I didn't, but I haven't looked. Is it like insanely expensive?
No.
Stupid, like kind of expensive, normal, what you would expect to pay for coffee beans?
$15 for a big bag.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not expensive.
No.
I mean,
it's not cheap, but
yeah.
It's not. Brock Burke autograph.
No, it's like an IPA, like a
Tron Travolta.
Yeah,
like a step up from
Starbucks and all that.
Folgers or whatever.
Oh my god. Folgers is...
They don't even make full beans, like 8 o'clock or whatever. It's like a step up from like 8 o'clock or...
No, let's step up from Starbucks. Starbucks or Pete's or whatever.
Pete's, yeah.
I don't understand how people drink Folgers. It's absolute garbage. The thing about McDonald's coffee is better than Folgers.
Well, is Folgers, is that exclusively like not like is it all like coffee crystal or whatever?
Yeah, they don't have beans. They don't even come from.
So like the Folgers can, those aren't like ground coffee beans.
No, they're just yeah, it's those little. Yeah, I guess that's ground coffee beans.
But like if I
freeze dried.
Yeah, but if I buy like Hills Brothers or 8 o'clock like ground coffee, is it different than Folgers? I mean, like in the what's actually like in it.
I think so. I know, but it doesn't even have any taste. It doesn't. I can't distinguish a taste. It's just kind of like muddy, watery taste. Like even cheap beer and alcohol has a taste.
There's a nice Robert. too.
Like you're like, I just like the taste of this cheap gin. It's like super strong and burns my nose or whatever, you know. There's no taste to Folgers. It's just dirt. They used to have it when I was a kid and went to church all the time. That was always what they had after church.
Yeah.
The fellowship hour, which is why everybody went to church.
Apostle and Pereira. Well, yeah, I mean,
It was
isn't like the thing about Folgers is that you get like a giant can of it for like a nickel.
Mm-hmm. Folgers coffee, some Jello, casserole Jello stuff.
Oh,
mama.
Dominguez.
Jeez.
Tim.
Friggin' Tim.
You know, I had half a feeling as I saw the autograph in this pack.
Why didn't we pick that one for UCCF's personals? I think you bought it.
Did he buy Bowman? I don't know.
I think so.
He was buying tops, I know. Look at that thing.
Oh, it was tops. I thought you bought one Bowman. That's a big one.
I love that card.
All a haze.
You have to use the actual emote to get the emotes to show up.
Yeah, just use the emote.
There's a base too. I thought we might have one after the Robert. What a box. Unbelievable.
Oh wait, boot isn't there. What the heck? What happened to my boot?
UCCF's
Oh no,
got
it's
it.
there. It like didn't show up at first. I saw that, Brian. It did the same thing for me.
Sam Huff. Was there no parallel in that box either? Is there not always in the Bowmans?
Yeah, I guess there wasn't.
Rip. Just a Dominguez on him.
Oh, yeah, and Domingo's base.
And a Robert.
Oh wow.
I think Robert and Dominguez usually go together.
Killer box.
Well, we got the Jason Dominguez Sapphire starter kit. The base and the base auto. Yeah, they're not always in Bowman. Okay. Brock Burke and Jake Fraley were the other autographs. And then some parallels. That awesome action shot of Tatis with the rookie cup. Gorgeous card. Young. Pereira, Apostle. There's the Robert base rookie. Glaber to 10. Gore. Powell and Blomgren to 99. Asa Lacy.
Oh yeah, Gypsy Queen got pushed way back.
Oh yeah, Sam mentioned that.
Jules' emails to Todd